get up here right now and look at this dart. It quit pulling right here. Y'all see this? They bagged out of here and the car just quit pulling. I don't think the trans quit pulling. I think the trans came out of gear. Let me show you what I mean. Y'all know on these darts, there's a recall. Now, before I even verify the problem or see if it's actually doing it, I want to see where the cable is located. Yep, y'all see that? The transmission cable came off of the transmission leveler, okay? So, looks like the car is maybe stuck in neutral or something. All right, let's do this. Yep, as you can see by the shift, it's stuck in reverse. All right, so what I need to do is put it in park and then put the lever on and see if I can get it to move. Let's try this. All right, let's do it like this. Y'all know you can start in neutral and park only. So I'm gonna put this in neutral and go under there and move my transmission shifter into neutral. All right, so I'm in park now. Let's see if it'll start. Yes, it start, but I'm barely on there, so I gotta. Oh, I got reverse, guys. All right, I'm out of time, man. Y'all stay tuned for the full video. Come here. Did you see it? Come look here.
Yeah, it's right here.
What? It ain't even. Oh, let me see.
That's it.
But see, you don't see the. You see what's missing out of here?
Like a little.
No, the little.
It's like
Where is that? Yeah. That it? Yeah. See, a lot of people remove this. You know how to be careful with these, or you jack these up. I got one outside now. Somebody towed the whole inside of it up.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it won't even stay on. So we're gonna lube this because we may have to take it off to get to this.
Get to the.
What the hell is that? Yeah, I'm gonna let you do this one. So when we get through with the recall, we'll do that shifter. Hey, that's it. Yeah, that damn thing. Whoa, the hell out. That old piece probably laying out in the floor. So this is why it wouldn't shift. You put it in gear. This is why it wouldn't start, because if it's not in park or neutral, it's never gonna start. But here's the part. So we gotta lube this up, and they give us a little special tool to drive it in. All right, guys, I'm out of town on this short video. Y'all gonna have to watch the long video on how we get this in. But yeah, with some lube. Let's put it on here. We just need to lube it. Actually, we need to lube the housing. Actually, we need to clean this out first. So we finna try to push that in here. That is the bushing. Yeah, put some on there.
Like that on the side?
Yeah. Now we got some Scotch-Brite or something. We can go in here and clean this out. We're gonna want that bushing to go on as effortless as possible. A rag or something to get. Let's try to clean this hole out. I don't think you're gonna be able to get it now with a rag. I always rip off a piece of Scotch-Brite and go in there and scrub it all out.
Yeah, but we don't got that, right? We don't have that right now?
Scotch-Brite? Yeah, that's the little green stuff we got laying all over the place. All right, set that tool on. Set that bushing on here with that tool. Let me show you how to do it. You'll figure out how to. No, set the bushing on here first, and then set the tool. And then grab the tool and set it in between. You ain't gonna be able to go in. That's what I'm saying. You got to push it in with the tool. Where's the tool? You need both of your hands. So the thinking is right. I don't know if you're strong enough to push because I usually have to grab pliers. Yeah, that shit is super tight. Because you're gonna bevel. Yeah, you're gonna need some pliers, man.
These work or not?
I don't know. I'm letting you roll. Use your imagination. Is it going down or you bending it?
I gotta get some other players.
Yeah. Alright, he's going to plan B. I don't like these connectors just laying around. Oh my God, guys, these are so important. We went ahead and took the PCM out of the way to get it out of the way. What you got? This? Whatever way. See, sometimes I have to squeeze the bottom in so it'll fall in. Like grab these and just get a bottom. Grab these and get a bottom part of that bushing. A little couple of squeezes or two. The bottom part that's going in first. Yeah. Whichever way you gonna put it in. Yeah, you in the center. Go to the bottom. It's rubber, so we just want it to. Yeah, just a little bit on the other side too. We just want it to fall. Yeah. Let's see what happens. We have to push this in because we couldn't get it in gear. Come on, man! Oh no!
Well,
That's it. Flip it over the other. Flip it over. Let's see the other side. Yeah, that's it. Hey, what the hell I'm talking about?
took a minute, but
Yeah, so now this lady shouldn't have this problem. Guys, this is either a repair or a recall. This is a Dodge Dart, by the way. So the Dodge Dart had a recall. So don't let some shop scam you and try to charge you an arm and a leg for this. You can get this for free if you got a Dodge Dart. If not, this is a general Ray how you do it. Now, I don't know what you're gonna. You can hang on to that little tool if you ever need it, but that tool came with the package.
oh, it's just a tool.
Yeah, it's a tool. It's done. You done with this?
I am a kid.
You just use to center it and push it in. And of course, you know to put it back on the shaft. Now the transmission will be able to shift. But put the car is in park, right? The shifter is in park. Well, put this on and wherever this line end up at, put the shifter in the same location so you can just easily push it on the shaft. And then that way we just starting from because we don't know the position of anything right now. We push it in. Hey, what shift? And she needs that update. Yeah, so but again on these connectors, shoot a little. Yeah, matter of fact, let's do that now. We don't want these tracks. These are plastic, guys. Silicone spray lube is not gonna hurt this. We're not putting it on the terminals. We're putting it on the tracks. Yes. Let's shoot a little bit down there. Yeah, and the other side. All right, that'll help them slide better, and you can go on. And then we clean it up after we're done. But these, try to minimize removing these, because if you keep removing them, you eventually pins open up over time. So if you don't have them, we did it because it was in our way. Hey man, what kind of silicone? Let me see this. BT! Oh my goodness, dude, we don't use words. Mopar, man. Mopar, no car. What is this crap? Man, this guy, he haven't learned nothing. Hey, we gotta get rid of this garbage. This is what he should have been using, guys. Okay. I haven't gotten around totally to him, but I'm training him to understand that Mopar or no car. I gotta go. All right, finish up, man.